Welcome. Today we'll be going over data types. This is part 1 of a 3-part series. Today we'll be discussing about numbers and lists. Numbers, there are 2 types of numbers in Python. Or 3 types actually. 2 types that are used, 1 type that isn't commonly used. Now numbers have integers, floats, and complex. The reason why you should learn data types before writing any type of code is that Python is based on using a ton of data types to solve a problem. You must have full mastery of data types before you do anything with code. Now, integers are whole numbers, or non-decimal numbers. So like 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2, -3. Floats, on the other hand, are decimals, like 1.1, 2.1, -1.1, -1.1, 2.1. Now keep in consideration, let's say you have something like 2.00. This also counts as a float. This is not an integer, this is a float. Now complex is basically has characters. So this can be using variables to solve math or imaginary numbers. Commonly, you'll just use imaginary numbers. So 1 plus I, 1 plus 5i, 4 plus 3i. Now with numbers, this is the foundation of data types in Python. These are by far one of the most important data types and the most used data type. Another very commonly used data type are lists. Now lists are in this format. You have a bracket, you have information, and you have brackets. Now in short, lists are a data type that stores data types. So for example, I have a list, and inside I can put in 11 as a number, -12, 3.8, 0, etc. as much as I want. Lists can be infinitely large and can have as much information as you want. And the reason why lists are cool is because you can store data types. You can put many numbers in there. You can put in hundreds, thousands, as many numbers as you want. But you don't have to just put in numbers. You can put in other data types that we'll be going over in the other videos of the series. So, as you learn, we have lists and numbers. Now, something also very cool about lists is that you can change them. So, for example, let's say I have a list. In this list, I have 2, 3, and 4. But I want to put in 5. So, with a operative, which you could have seen in a video before, you can put in 2, 3, 4, but then you add in a 5. So you can, in short, lists are data types that store data types. Lists have many things, not just numbers, and you can edit lists. Numbers consist of 3 parts: integers, floats, and complexes. Integers are non-decimals, floats are decimals, complex has characters, like imaginary numbers. Thank you.